The iCloud activation lock screen is a massive nightmare that millions of people are dealing with every single day. But the real reason so many people are still stuck frustrated is simple. They haven't heard about this absolutely powerful, brand new 2026 tool that is completely changing the game. We are talking about a software which iCloud activation lock to owner screen literally break and eat the lock status right off your iPhones and iPads. With this new release, there are absolutely no limitations and no more lock to owner barriers holding your hardware back. How many times has this happened to you? You're completely stuck on the iCloud activation lock screen, and you have absolutely no idea what to do. It is one of the most frustrating feelings in the world. Once that device is locked, it becomes a useless brick. Zero functionality, zero access. Now normally, if you are not the original owner of that phone and you don't have the original official purchase receipt, Apple support will simply tell you no, you cannot unlock it. This happens all the time to people who buy a secondhand iPhone. It works perfectly at first, but the moment you update the iOS software, boom, you are completely locked out. If you have an iPhone or an iPad locked to the owner screen, a stuck iCloud activation lock, or even a disabled passcode screen, you are in the exact right place. This video is going to change everything for you. Welcome to the official breakdown of the Bypass Unlock tool, version 7.5.2. This is an incredibly powerful, unstoppable software suite engineered specifically to help you bypass and reactivate your locked iOS devices. It is packed with premium unlocking features designed to handle everything from iCloud activation locks to broken screen passcodes and even carrier SIM locks. Getting started is incredibly simple. All you need to do is head over to the official website of Bypass Unlock tool. Right there on the homepage, you will see the primary download button for the latest version. And according to device version you can download, if you are a Windows PC user, just click the download button and download it. Also, if you are a macOS user, you will see the button of it say download for Mac. So you can download it easily, and it's available for Intel chips and Apple Silicon M series chips, including M1, M2, M3, and M4. Download the package matching your operating system and installed the tool. Before you open the software, there are a few critical preparation steps you must follow to ensure a flawless connection. First, if you are on a Windows PC, ensure that you have the proper Apple mobile device drivers installed on your system. If you haven't done this yet, I made a dedicated step-by-step video on exactly how to configure your system drivers perfectly. Pause this video, go back, watch that guide, and then come right back here. Second, because our tool uses highly specialized advanced scripts to communicate directly with the iOS system architecture, Windows Defender or your local antivirus might flag it as a false positive. Don't worry, this is completely normal for advanced modification software. Simply disable your real-time antivirus protection temporarily before running the installer. Once disabled, right-click the setup file and select Run as Administrator to grant the software full deployment privileges. Now that the installation is complete, go ahead and launch the application. When you look at this interface, you are looking at one of the most powerful, robust unlocking tools on the market today. Bypass Unlock tool operates on a highly secure server-side authorization system. To unlock a device, its unique serial number must be authorized on our network first. To do this, copy the serial number displayed right inside the tool interface and submit it for registration through our verified channels on our website or by contacting our official managers directly on Telegram. The server authentication process is incredibly fast, usually taking only 15 to 30 minutes. Once your serial number is registered to the server, connect your locked device to your computer using a reliable official USB cable. The software will instantly scan the hardware configuration and display all your essential details right on the screen. Your exact device model, your IMEI, your serial number, and your current iOS version. This Bypass Unlock tool supports an incredibly wide range of hardware, from legacy models like the iPhone X, all the way up to the absolute newest flagship iPhone 17 Pro Max, handling software variations up to iOS 26.3.1. Verify that your status says supported, and then simply click that big green Activate button. The application will instantly begin processing. On your desk, you will watch your iPhone screen transition to a clean black background featuring the white Apple logo as the server bypass patches the lock files in real time. And just like that, the process is completely finished. Look at the laptop screen, process done, success, when it's finished the process. The lock screen is entirely gone. You can swipe right up, go through the standard setup just like a brand new phone, and log directly into your own personal iCloud account. This isn't just a temporary fix. This gives you a fully functional device with working cellular network signals, active SIM card operations, working Apple Pay, and flawless push notifications. Stop staring at a lock screen and bring your phone back to life today. Head over to www.bypassunlock.online, download version 7.5.2, and unlock your freedom. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more official tech updates, and I will see you in the next one.